In this lecture we are going to learn about greatest myth in the data structure, right? Generally interviewer going to do phishing for the developers to get out of the room, right? How they do? They will generally ask you this question, right? Okay, why binary search or divide and conquer algorithm, right? So you should have the understanding of binary search and divide and conquer algorithm. Then you will not uh, get phishing, right? So how will get aware of the question? So I am here to explain you, right? So first of all, you can search on the internet, you will get this answer, right? But you should have the knowledge, you should have the question, so that you can perform better in the interview room. You do not have to you can say uh, some dual mind, right? So to get a correct answer, let's begin to understand. So divide and conquer is completely different from the binary search algorithm, right? So binary search algorithm is just what he is doing. So understand here. First part, binary search, basically the binary search algorithm just divide its workspace input order, right? An array of its size n into the half in each iteration. Therefore, it is definitely deploying the divide strategy, and as a result, the time complexity reduced down to O of log n, right? So this covers the divide part, but it's not directly you can say ki this is a divide and conquer rule. Why? Because you can see here, because in this part what it is saying, recursive breaking down a part, you can say problem, into two or more sub problems which are combined to a given solution, right? That is we used to do in the divide and conquer we can say, right? But in the binary search, what we will doing, we are doing, there is only one solution. There is not you can say sub problems in the binary search, right? We are doing the same problem, right? Searching for the element which does not reducing the data by half of its step. But in the divide and conquer, we used to do with the sub problems, right? We divide problem into sub problems, but here the problem is same in the binary search. So it's completely different with each, you can say one of the language, right? One of the concept you can say, right? So now you have better understanding about the binary search and divide and conquer. So do not be the dual mind setup in the interview room and give a correct answer that this is completely different, right? Binary search containing only one problem, and it's following the iterating the you can say the steps, right? But in the divide and conquer, the one problem is going to divided into two or more sub problems, so that it when it combined, then it gives a solution, right? Okay guys, please ping me in the comment box if you have any doubt, right? I will reply must.